I'm Josh from Tony's Hot Rod Shop. Here we have a 1960 Buick Invicta. Came to us with some leaks, rear end leak, transmission leak, all the seals in the motor leaked. So the owner wanted it put all back together. He don't want no marks in his garage. So we took everything apart, put all new gaskets in it. We redid all the motor, painted it up, changed all the gaskets in the motor so it wouldn't leak on his garage floor anymore. Added a dual cylinder brake reservoir and master cylinder. Inside this car there's a few neat features. The speedometer, this is actually a mirror that you can adjust, so that's reflecting off the speedometer that's actually down here. And back in 1960 their cruise control was you turn this knob and set a speed, and then a buzzer went off when you hit that speed so you knew you were there. The clock actually is removed, so if you were going out to a picnic or something you could take the clock with you and it would work while you're out of the car, and slide it back in there. A few different things, you know, reverse is all the way to the end. Most normal cars are reverses first. Just a few different odds and ends that were in 1960 was a little different.